Robert Baxter, the owner of EVW Sports, said something so interesting that can make some people question whether Devon Larratt ever truly was the best arm wrestler in the world or not. In the recent Fix episode with Neil Pickup, Robert Baxter gave his opinion about the 2008 Devon vs John super match. It was the match after which Devon became the #1 arm wrestler in the world. But Robert said that even before the match, he told everyone that John is going to lose this match. And the reason why Robert felt that John cannot beat Devon, it's because he himself beat John in practice pool fresh for fresh sometime before that super match. John was not in the best shape. His wrist was hurt at that time. So after pinning John, Robert asked him that if you cannot even beat me, why are you even going there to arm wrestle Devon Larratt? It is going to end badly for you and you have your #1 spot to defend there. John's answer was he has already given his word to Neil Pickup and now he's not going to bail out of that super match. So what happened afterwards is known to everyone. The match happened and Devon destroyed John. It was 6-0, wasn't close. It looked like Devon was arm wrestling a complete beginner. Robert gave another example that sometime before this super match, John lost in the same way to Ron Bath as well. He was saying that Ron fell to him like a telephone pole. He cannot move him at all. But John used to beat Ron Bath most of the times. So even in super matches, John can be very far away from his peak shape. But 6 to 7 weeks after the Devon match, John went to Europe and defeated Denis Siplankov handedly. We all have seen that super match too. So the question is, if John was truly injured, how did he get recovered in such a short amount of time? How did he defeat the #2 guy in the world, Denis Siplankov? So what would happen if this version of John that defeated Denis faced Devon again? I think many people are going to say Devon still wins that match. So there is a good claim for Devon. Whether John was injured or not, he truly was the best arm wrestler in the world that day. Because by that time, Alexei Vovoda was already out of the picture. I don't think he arm wrestled after defeating Michael Todd 6-0 in a Vendetta event. So Denis, Pushkar, Devon, John, these were the top 4 guys in the world. Devon beat John, John beat Denis, and Denis always used to beat Pushkar. So Devon truly was the best arm wrestler in the world around that time. And there is another comparison. The 2011 Devon Larratt vs Richard Lupkis match, and around the same time, Denis Siplankov vs Richard Lupkis match. 2 completely different matches. Devon played with Lupkis while Denis Siplankov was struggling against him. He won, but he struggled a lot. Neil Pickup has a different take about this. I don't think he truly buys the John Brezink being injured excuse. John has a different take about this. He believes that that was one of his worst experiences competing at Arm Wars, and since then he never went back there. And after that, I don't think he went back to Arm Wars for a very long time. Travis Bagent also thinks that John was injured. That day, anyone in the top 10 would have defeated John. So just because Devon defeated John that day, it doesn't make him the best arm wrestler in the world. So my verdict on this is, I also doubt Devon's claims of being the best left arm planet in the world when he defeated Pushkar. Yes, there was one time when somehow Pushkar managed to beat Denis and then Devon beat Pushkar. But despite that, I still believe that Denis was the best left arm around that time. But right arm, there is no question. Devon was the best guy. Mention your thoughts in the comment section. Please like the video and I'll see you again.